Good afternoon, TDD fam.
Hey guys, what's up? Today is an awesome day because we're going to share with you what we are actually going to pack in our bags to start our travels around the world.
Yeah.
More specifically to our first country.
So first thing we went with was the Osprey Backpacks.
I love it.
Yes.
These are amazing bags. We looked into quite a few bags. We tried a few on. We actually went shopping, looked online. For us, personally, these bags just work for everything. My computer's a little big, but it still works.
They have a lot of compartments on them. So we have a small pocket in the front.
Mm-hmm. And if you really need, you have earphone holes like right here.
Yep. But they're big enough to, actually they're small enough to bring onto the flight and be considered a personal item.
Yep, and the best thing is if you need to bring it in a little bit, you just have these two here, they hook right here,
Yep.
brings it in.
Tighten it right up, make it look smaller than it actually is.
Like that.
They also have these clips that go around your waist, which actually really helps my back out.
Yeah, and in front too, as well, so you can bring this right in front of your chest as well.
And it helps support all the weight on it.
Next thing we went with was the carry-on away luggage.
We got these because, one, we could carry them on a plane. We were going to be a budget traveling. So we wanted to make sure that we didn't have to check our luggage every single time we took a flight. On the side, these TSA approved locks. So we can lock it up, keep our stuff safe and not have to worry about it in case we do have to check it.
Yep.
And we have battery packs actually built into our suitcases. So we can charge our stuff on the go, and this will give you about 2 full phone charges.
Yep.
Which is pretty good.
But just make sure that if you do have to check your baggage that you take this out and put it in your bag with you on the plane.
Yep. So now we're gonna dive down into the bags and show you what we're bringing with us.
Don't show them the underwear.
Okay, first we're gonna start with my backpack here. In the front pocket, I have my sleep mask. I haven't used it yet because I haven't had to sleep on a plane yet, but it's pretty comfortable and it works. That's all that matters. Also, I found this nifty little thing online. It is a hammock for your feet. What this is, it hangs over the seat in front of you or the tray table, and you can just rest your feet on it. Maybe we won't end up using it much. It sounded like a good idea. And then in here, I have my Bose headphones. These are great. These are noise canceling headphones. They were pretty cheap. They're an older model and they're comfortable too. Our Turkish Towels. These are really comfortable. These can be used for just about everything. For the beach, we used them to cover up in the hotel last night, on the plane. So these are perfect, and they're very comfortable. Got my remote. This is actually just an Xbox Bluetooth remote. I use it on the phone or on the Mac, just in case we have time. Play a game, do something, a little entertainment. Wipes, we each got one of these. Got my wrinkle release, which actually worked. Look, it worked on this shirt.
Mostly,
yes. I make sure I keep this with me. This is our good camera. Now, we haven't been using this much right now, but this will be used later. We got our Sony A7S III, and we got a whole setup for it. It's really nice. It works really well. Then inside the pack, I have a little pocket here where I keep my bar soap, shavers, just things I need to get a hold of quick. Toothbrush, and vitamins, because I'm trying to keep myself healthy. So, got to start taking these. Haven't started taking them yet. I brought them a couple of days ago.
take it now.
Got a spot for my laptop. I store in there, and then we got all the laptop components. I got it all stored in here. So next is our suitcase. On this side, I keep all my electronics and an extra coat. This thing is waterproof. It's really nice. Extra tripod. Our Zhiyun crane for our good camera, which isn't being used yet, but it will be used one day, and it works really well. We've already tested it out. I'm just keeping that in there for now, because that's gonna be our new baby soon. We got our power strip. This actually has multiple USBs on the front, about 5 of them, and 4 plugs. Another tripod. Like I said, I'm sure that some of this stuff is going to end up disappearing a year or 2 into travel. We'll see what it's like. We'll do another one of these videos in a year and look back and see what we said and what we didn't need. Umbrella, I'm fairly sure we're going to need this somewhere. All our ND filters for our camera and an extra mic for our good camera. Now I keep a little pack in here. This is actually holding one of our lenses. In here I have all our GoPro stuff. Just little odds and ends, things that we really don't need direct access to. And on the other end, we have a compression strap here. They brought some of these to do laundry with. They're laundry sheets. On this end, I just keep all my clothes here. So everything from an extra sweater to very comfortable workout shorts, because you know I'm gonna have to start working out now. I've been sitting around way too much. Slippers for when we go to the beach. I don't have water shoes, it just took up too much room in there. So I think slippers will be enough. We'll find out. Got a couple of pairs of shorts, t-shirts, water trunks, and my unmentionables. Boxers, stuff like that. Got an overshirt, and I got a lot of these t-shirts, like the one I'm wearing. These are actually very comfortable, they're airy, and I know we're going to be in hotter areas. It's just things that are easy to mix and match and wear, and comfortable clothes. I also ended up getting one of these little satchels, fanny pack, whatever you want to call it. It could be used in multiple ways. It just comes with a strap, or I could put it around my belt if an airline makes a big deal and says this is considered a personal item. You just put it on your belt, and it's not a clothing item. On to you.
Me. Me. All right, now I'm gonna take my turn, and I'm gonna start with what's in my backpack. So in here, I actually also have my own foot hammock, sleep mask. I'm not gonna put it on. I look all pretty, but same thing. Very comfortable. They're actually really soft, so I might use this on the plane. All right, now for the big pocket. I have quite a few things in here. One being my hairbrush. Need that. Don't have a bag big enough right now to put it in. My Bose headphones. These are all of our charging cords. A couple adapters are gonna go in here, connectors for anything we really need. This is mainly my toiletries. We did get a lipo-safe battery bag for our camera batteries. In this last pocket here, my Turkish towel. These are fantastic. It smells really good. It's really soft, absorbent, and comfortable. Great as a blanket for the beach, whatever. Love it. Highly recommend them. And then my big computer. That's it for my backpack. And now it is on to my suitcase. Same setup as his. Have a compartment here, little compression straps, keeps everything down nice and neat. First things first, we're gonna take out the unmentionables. Just a bag full of those things. I have a pair of headphones that I use for teaching online. I have another pair on that side, so I'm just gonna toss those to the side there. My mouse for my computer because it fits in here nice and neat. Chargers, cables, all types of things. Of course, it's always smart to bring an umbrella. Of course, cheetah over here. And one thing that for me that's really important is my steam straightener. I use this to straighten my hair probably 3 times a week, if that. So I'll be taking this with me. Love this thing. Ladies, if you have curly hair and you want straight, get one of these. A foldable, portable hair dryer for me, because I do have to dry my hair. And then, last but not least on the side, our DJI Mavic Mini 2 drone. I have so much I can't remember it all either, so. And then here I do have sandals, some jewelry that I can take in with me, shorts, socks, shirts, tons of pants. I have a couple of dresses that I'm going to be taking, which I'll probably replace at some point when we're overseas. Yeah, that's pretty much it. That'll conclude this suitcase tour. Hopefully that was some useful information for you. Maybe you found something new and different that you didn't think of. But if you have any suggestions for us, let us know below.
Comments,
yeah, we'd love to hear your suggestions. your thoughts and ideas. So yeah, for sure.
And we'll check in on this again next year when we get rid of 90% of what we...
Or replace or get better things.
Yeah, we'll see.
For sure. But,
Well, tomorrow morning we got a flight leaving at 5 a.m.
so early, but so worth it.
And we're going to our first country.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I can't wait.
So we're going to end it here.
Yep. And we'll see you guys in the next one.